Well, good Tuesday morning, everybody. Had yesterday off. It was a 3-day weekend. Spent it with my grandkids visiting and the family over. So it was nice and relaxing. And now it's time to go back to work. Excuse me. Thank you. Well, today has been quite the day. About an hour and a half ago, I get a phone call from a local hospital. They left a message, calling back as urgent. So on my lunch break, call them back. Come to find out that one of my brother-in-laws, the one who's, I guess, nicest way to put it was the black sheep of the family, got into crime, drugs, whatever. Well, he just got released from prison not too long ago, and apparently he's in the ICU of one of the local hospitals, hooked up to a breathing machine, life support, and they need a family member to make medical decisions for him. He apparently was found unresponsive in a motel room with the needle still stuck in his arm, so apparently the few years in prison didn't do any good to clean him up, because he just got out just recently and he's right back to his old thing, doing drugs. So anyways, I didn't want to take responsibility over his sisters or his dad, because his dad's still alive. He's back in Oklahoma, but they have no way of knowing where the heck he is and getting a hold of him. And they had no way of getting a hold of the sisters. How they got my number, I don't know. Apparently, he must have had some idea of something on him, put my number on it. Because he figured I'd be the one who'd know what to do. Well, I told him I'd have my wife call him, and since it's her brother, she can make the decision along with her sisters and contact her dad back there in Oklahoma and get him involved in it too, even though he's got Alzheimer's. He probably won't even understand what the heck's going on. But let them all make the decision what the heck they're going to do about it. I don't want to be the one that tells them to pull the plug and let him die. I know that's terrible to put that on my wife and her sisters, but then they should be the ones to make that decision. The father, he's too far gone, I think, to make that kind of a decision. If it were up to me, I'd just tell him to unplug him, put him out of his misery, let him go. So anyways, that's that. Just another fun day at work. Hey, I'm only doing 60, buddy. Y'all see that? He's sitting there with his radar gun. And I'm only doing 60. Yeah, it's a good thing I'm a little depressed this afternoon. Otherwise, I'd probably be flying up there like a bat out of hell. Good morning, everybody. We're up here in Bakersfield, California on the 2013 Sportster 72. It is Wednesday. Give you an update on my brother-in-law in the hospital. He's still on life support, and they're doing everything they can to save his life and bring him back. Doing all kinds of procedures. Well, good Thursday morning, everybody. Today's going to be my last day riding this week because tomorrow, or well, actually tonight, there's going to be a storm moving in. It's going to rain all day tomorrow and all the way through Monday, according to the weatherman. So, won't be riding tomorrow, or probably not on Monday either. And an update on the brother-in-law. Thank you. He is going to be disconnected from the life support today, and they're going to pull all the tubes and everything and see if he survives. They want my wife and her sister there, so he'll see familiar faces when he comes out of it. As I say, he's going to be so messed up he ain't going to know what's going on. There's the Kern County Sheriff's, and I'm right on 52. That's good enough. Close enough. Signal, change lanes, pull up beside him. Okay. Well, looks like I'm going to get the lane split up next to the sheriff again. He passed me because he's speeding, so I'm just going to pull right up next to him. Because lane splitting is illegal. It's legal, legal, legal. Yes, it is. Just like that. Didn't go over the speed limit, use my turn signal. I'd be okay. No laws broken. There ain't gonna be enough room this time to go up in there because of the mirrors. So I screwed. Alright, well, as you can see, the weatherman was wrong. The rain came early this afternoon, around noon. It wasn't later tonight, like he said. So now I get to ride home in the rain. Plus I have to stop and get gas. And, oh, I got a text message from my wife. An update on the brother-in-law. They unplugged him and he wasn't gonna make it on his own, so they plugged him back in. Hooked him back up, if that makes any sense to y'all. And and they're going to try again tomorrow. I don't know. Don't understand this new medicine stuff. I guess as long as the taxpayers are paying for everything, they just keep right on doing whatever they can do. I don't know how many times they're going to unplug him, and if he don't kickstart on his own, they're going to plug him back in. I don't know. Time will tell. Okay, well, I got raindrops falling on my face shields. So, oh, I put my camera inside a sandwich baggie to protect it, because I do not have a waterproof camera cover. So, this is makeshift. I don't know how it's going to come out. If this all turns out to be crap, I'm not going to bother uploading it. And we'll just be cutting this off right here, so you at least have an understanding as to why and what happened. But if videoing through the sandwich bag works out okay, I'll go ahead and upload the Lanesplitting. Of course, I don't know how much Lanesplitting I'm going to be doing with the traffic on these wet roads. I didn't take that corner very well. Come on, I need to carry my speed through the corner, and you're not letting me do it. Sure, the last second, now you want to come over. Everybody's just jostling for position here. Well, I don't think I'm going to lane split right here. It's a little hectic. I think I'll wait. Well, it don't look like I'm going to get to do much lane splitting. Nobody's really giving me much room. Well, here we go finally. Okay. Finally. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that's it for this week, because it's going to be raining tomorrow and Monday. I did not expect to have to ride home in the rain today. I am soaking wet. But that's the way it goes. The stupid weatherman got it wrong. Then that's what I get for listening to him. It wasn't that bad. I'm just soaking wet. And it took a little longer because I had to go slower than normal. So anyways, hit the like button, make a comment, subscribe, come back again next week for some more fun. See y'all later. Bye-bye.